Hello and welcome to episode 30 of RyugenTrades. Today is the 25th of May 2024. It's a rainy Saturday here in Kuala Lumpur. Today's focus will be RHB's recent 20 jewels, their top picks of small cap stocks in Bursa Malaysia. Well, I'm a retail trader trying to improve myself by doing videos like this. I trade mainly Bursa stocks, US stocks as well as futures in Malaysia. Please be reminded I am a retail trader just doing my sharing, and this is not professional advice. You will have to do your own research and make your own decisions before making any buy or sell decisions. Well, this episode will look at the 20 jewels by RHB, and the big question is, will these 20 jewels shine again in 2024? They have done this many years, and if you're new to my channel, you're probably not familiar with me. I'm also trading on the Moo Moo platform. You can follow me. I post regularly there, and if you think I've earned a cup of coffee, you can buy me a cup of coffee, and I'll put all the links in the description below. Now, without further ado, what is all this about these jewels? Now, this is a cutout from the Star newspaper, and it's on 15 May. It was reported that RHB unveiled their 20 small cap stocks, which they call it their jewels. Now, among all these, so we'll take a look next as to performance. Now, why is it so captivating? Because the previous year, in 2023, the top 20 small cap jewels picked by RHB outperformed the market, the broader market, the FBM KLCI, as well as the FBM small caps return, and a whopping 46.4% versus 13% and 21%. Now, the 20 stocks they are covering this round, these 20 jewels, include Able Global, Avaland, AWC, CloudPoint, Dilium, Engtex, Intabina, Carex, Kimlun, MCE, Muhima Engineering, New Hongfat, Opstar, PA Resources, QAS Group, Shangri-La Hotels, Supercomet, TTV, HB, U-Medic, and YBS. So if you've not seen this document before, I'll just give you a snapshot of a couple of pages. Well, it's about 55 pages worth of analysis and research. These are the contributors of this document, and they're listed down in terms of alphabetical order, and they'll list down by industry classification as well. And next on, we will focus on examples of basically what this document looks like. They will cover all 20 jewels one by one in alphabetical order, and I'll just start off maybe with one example of the first stock that is covered, Able Global. So you'll see that they have a nice summary price chart up on the top here, and then followed by the stock profile, major shareholders, some investment merits, company profile, some highlights for investors and traders to know about. At the top, you'll see the fair value and the price, the current price of as of the publication, and also you'll see a company report card and the investment case as to why RHB believes that this will be a jewel. So one of the challenges of the individual traders, retail traders, is actually stock picking. So it's good that RHB have come up with such a report so that we can at least focus on 20 which the analyst thinks it's possible buys. And these are my 9 criteria when I look at before I make any buying decisions. So I've got 9 items here. Whether number 1, the stock is trading above the 200 SMA, and this using the daily chart, and whether it's above the 30 EMA, and this using the daily chart as well. I will also tend to favor stocks that is having a strong uptrend line and minimum 3 touches, and this using the 4-hour chart, and on the same 4-hour chart the RSI above 55. And I will try to scan as much as I can to look for positive news or catalysts and to find out whether this sector is in play or not. And for a shorter time frame, I'll look at the RVOL and whether there's any significant spike. And also finally, the last two will be important to look at the overall trending volume. If there is increased volume trading for this particular stock in the recent weeks to months, it would indicate interest in the stock. And finally, based on your own analysis, whether there's breakout from consolidation or other positive chart patterns, this could be another area that you would give it a tick. Now depending on how many criteria are met, so I have A, B, C, D outcome. So A will be above 80%, so that will mean 8 to 9, at least 8 to 9 criteria met. If it's a B, it will be 7 criteria, and C will be 6 criteria. Anything less than 5 criteria will be a D, which is poor or no entry for me. And the size at the right column at the bottom right, the size means the percentage of allocation. So assuming if for any trade I'm trading 10,000 ringgit, the size 100%, I will trade the full 10,000. Or if it's a B rated trade, I would only put in 7,000, and C will be 5,000. So that's just a simple analysis example of how I'm sizing in the trade depending on whether it's a B or C trade. So now let's move on finally to the outcome of applying these 9 criteria to the 20 stocks. Now this table, you may take a screenshot, pause the video, have a look. Basically it shows that out of the 20 jewels identified, based on my criteria, I've identified 15 for myself to watch and potentially trade. I've set up my stop loss entry, target price, and risk reward, and yeah, going forward be monitoring these few stocks. Now the stocks I won't be covering or won't be in my watch list going forward will be the 5 in red: Able Global, Dilium, Intabina, MC Holdings, YBS International. Of course, this is based on current technicals and current market conditions, and if things changes, I may reconsider adding them to my watch list. But the other 15, I am focusing on those A graded trades. For example, CloudPoint seems to be the most interesting. It's graded A for me, and risk reward is 5.3 times. Means I'm risking, for every 1 ringgit I'm risking, I may potentially earn 5 ringgit. Now I would like to hear from you. What do you think of these 20 stocks, and how would you trade them? Would you agree with the 15 I've picked out, and would you agree with some of the stop loss entry, target price I've set? Do comment. I'm here to learn as well. I would love to hear from those who are interested in trading the jewels. So put your comments below. Looking forward to hearing from you. Well, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to have a copy of the RHB document, I think I've put in the link below. If you like a copy of my analysis in Excel or PDF, just let me know. I'll send you a copy. Just email me. I'll put my my email address below as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, do consider subscribing. Follow me on Moo Moo. I'm RyugenTrades as well. Take care and have a good trading week ahead. All the best, and see you again.